What are you doing to the Packout?
So when it comes to tools, we love Milwaukee. They're the best or the strongest. We even love them so much, we even got a truck that matches. Well, okay, so the truck just happened to be that color, and that's what I happen to have the money for. So it actually doesn't apply, but it sounded good. So the problem is they don't always work out perfect. As much as we love Milwaukee and as much as we think they're great, we like to fix things and improve things. And so coming into our tool truck, otherwise known as Humphrey, it always seems like we need the one in the bottom. And you can't get to that without undoing the whole thing. And when you want one little thing, that's a pain in the neck. So I tasked Lance with a job and I said, figure this out.
We got a project today. It's Packout day. I'm sure somebody's gonna hate me for this. So we're gonna make a door in the front of our Packout base, because you stack everything on top of here like that, and then you can't get in the bottom and we have to unstack everything. So we're gonna make it accessible from the front. Put a door in there, hinges down there, the latches will hold it shut. See if it works.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was going. Hey. Dog, you are in the way. Out.
Take me for a ride, babe. Babe!
Yay. When we cut that corner apart, took away the structure there, so top riveted through there, a piece of wood in there, make that corner nice and stable again. And now we just got screws in the hinges. We're gonna get pop rivets, replace those later. Dad gets back from town. So that works.
Ah! What are you doing to the Packout?
Reaction.
Oh! Wow!
Got this piece of aluminum. Put it right on there to make a backer for the lid to close on. Got some aluminum for stiffening. Now we gotta put a handle on. Don't use that. We have a proper cutter.
Yeah, I just used it.
Oops. Don't set it down when it doesn't have a guard. Look at that. Cool. Now all we need is what?
These blocks here.
I did. Well, I did the bottom. So
You didn't do the outside, did
put
you?
one there. Under here I did. I could throw one in there too.
Just two screws.
Pop rivets.
Screws.
Pop rivets look better.
Screws work better.
I don't think so. Do that.
It's plastic. It'll sink just fine. Look at that.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Huh? Alright.
Ain't that pretty?
I didn't know it would do that actually. It doesn't even look that bad.
What are you doing?
I'm making letters.
Those don't look like O's. They look like flat tires. Now, give me that.
No, what are you doing? Take that off. No. There. There it be. This one's fine. Did it just go in there?
Yep.
Huh. Funny how that works.
What? Open it. Push that down.
That would do.
Open it.
Yes, sir.
Open the vault.
Push. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, don't push it.
What's the issue?
Oops. Hang on. Incoming.
Fine then. Ow!
Not your match.
back there? Oops. Don't set it down, it doesn't have a guard.
Who took the guard off that thing?
You? I don't think so.
How would I take the guard off?
Come on. Bite. Push that thing down.
Ow!
That felt weird. Hurry it up, hurry it up.
Got the box out here for you.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Did you say? Were you saying hurry it up when you came in? It's fine. Just put the other rivet in. I think it's twisted. Damn it. Yeah.
Careful you don't blow your own finger.
Ow! Ow! I'll be quiet. Here. Okay, fine.
I think we read. And you end up drilling me. And I forget that one.
Put that back. There it is. All done. All pretty. So we got the whole mess cleaned up. There's the new Packout setup. So we got hardware screws, got miscellaneous supplies, a hand planer and jigsaw and some big stuff like that. Air compressor, cord reel on there, cordless stuff, batteries, air tools in here just like we had before. The hose reel there, staples, nails, pins, everything for drills pretty much in here. Hole saws, extra drill bits, screws, plumbing supplies, everything for doing lights, under cabinet lights, cabinet claws, squares, blades, sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, hammers, chisels. And we got our new modified Packout there. We can open this up, put our strips in there. And it's a mess now because B made a mess. Should work good.